Yeah, it's already hot. This is what happened. This is look like. Where is the camera thing? Then what about the roll-ups? How long is the roll-ups for? What about the roll-ups? How long do you put the roll-up for? Have a look. This is only 160. Okay. And then for how many minutes? That will do. And then how about for the roll-ups? But I won't change anything here. Ah, okay. How will I just how will I adjust this thing, or I will just have to stop it right away? Ah, okay. Okay. Can you open? So I'll put top on top. That will do. That's it. So that's it. Then later, 4:30, I'll cook the roll-ups. Then it's all good. Much time is it I used to? Yeah. Yeah. All good. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.